Fusion 360, how to measure a bottle volume. So we see over here the case study bottle. If I will go within a section view, we're going to see that in this case the bottle has been shelled, so we have a constant wall thickness. And over here I added some embossed ornaments to the side. And if I will go all the way to the top with this, we're going to see the bottle will end like this. And I also added the bottle finish. In this case, this was a step model. Now, let's see how we can measure the volume. If I will hide the top bottle finish and I want to measure this, I can right click on body tool and go to properties. And we're going to see the volume over here, but since this bottle has been shelled, we actually going to obtain the volume where we have material, so the volume of the glass. If I will copy this, we're going to see the value in this case. So this will be close to 110 milliliter in volume of glass. So volume 2 milliliters. Let's take a look over here, and we see the volume and we see the calculation, and in this case the volume of the glass will be 111.9. Now if I want to measure the volume of the bottle, I can just remove the shell. In this case I will just move the timeline over here before the shell was created, and in this case we're going to obtain the volume all the way up here. Now keep in mind that in this case the shell went inwards, so like this, and we have that added thickness for the glass. But now with this body, again I can right click, go to properties, and we have the following volume. So in this case we're going to see that this will be 963 milliliters. We can also convert volume to milliliters, and we're going to see that this will be the correct value. So this is why I find Fusion really easy to use compared to SolidWorks or CATIA, mainly when I want to measure volumes. It's important to have a closed body, so just like in SolidWorks or CATIA, you need to have a closed body over here in order to define that volume. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.